It's Sue here from Sue's Dolbrodmaeth kitchen, and it is the 5th of July 2021 today, and it's in the afternoon, about 2:38, something like that. And I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do in the polytunnel today. I've literally only just come out. I've been trying to do some paperwork, and I ordered some new pots and some new bolt hardy beetroot, because I seem to have run out. Anyway, I've re-sowed so far the salad that didn't seem to germinate, the mixed red salad. So I've put the same salad in again, and I hope it's gonna take this time, because it was near, because the last time I sowed it was the 23rd of the 6th. So I've re-sowed it again on the 5th of July, and we'll see if it grows. If it doesn't grow again this time, then there must be something wrong with the seed. That's all I can say, because the other things seem to have germinated all right, the mizuna and the chicory. So I don't understand how come the salad seeds haven't worked. So I'm going to try and sow the other salad seeds, but I might wait until my new pots come. I need to get these Morning Glory in today, because they really need to grow up something. So I need to do the trellis that I said I was going to do outside. But what I am going to do today, I need to do something really big today. I feel like something major, because outside it's getting really untidy and messy. I might try and start on the no-dig bed. Wish me luck. I need to show you my no-dig bed that I've got outside. I'm just looking at the tomatoes I've done yesterday. They seem to be alright, flagging a little bit, but there's one flagging now. So when I leave the polytunnel today, I'll make sure I give them a drink. And I'm actually going to pull out the potatoes today in the corner. So I'm going to dig up the potatoes and see if we've got any. They should be done, because I really need that bed. So I'm gonna just dig a little bit and see if there's any potatoes there, and I'll let you know. But now I have to go all the way back indoors and get the keys for the garage, because I forgot them. And if I want to do anything outside today, I need a fork or something. Oh, it's one of them days, you know, like you get them days where you feel a bit weird. Well, maybe one of them days. And yeah, I need to get something big done today, I feel. Otherwise I don't feel like I've achieved anything. Yeah, it's one of them days I'm finding it really hard to get going today. It's Monday. I don't know if you get this Monday feeling sometimes, where you just don't feel like that you're getting on with anything and you're not achieving anything. Or maybe one of them days today. I'm just touching everything, and it's quite dry in here again. So I'll have to water things, I think. These geraniums are dry, but they don't mind being a bit dry. All those, I think that aubergine might mind being a bit dry though, eh? I mean, go and water that. Yeah, these ones in the pots are getting a bit dry. So I better give the flowers on the table a water, I think. Getting a bit dry. Over this side anyway. Yeah, anyway, so I'll get it on and do something. So if you want me to see, I might hang the camera up so you can see me doing the potatoes. You can watch if you like. Well, you don't have to. So anyway, I will go and do that. I need to go indoors again and get the fork. Alright, so I'll see you again in a minute. Again, Sue here from Sue's Dolbrodmaeth garden today. And take my glasses off my head. Right. Got slightly sidetracked in the polytunnel. I started clearing up the chives, moving back the spring onions off of the strawberries, then tidied up the strawberries a bit so that I can see where the runners are, because I want the runners to start running. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it now and make sure when the runners start coming out, which they have, I sort of peg them down with a stone or something. I'll just use a little stone, but I couldn't actually see what was happening because all the chives had gone a bit long. So I've harvested the chives now, so I've cut them right down to about this and I've taken them all indoors and I've laid them on a tray, and I'm going to dry out them chives, and I've put some in the fridge for us to eat fresh, but also they cut and come again, so they just grow back again now, and then we'll have another lot of chives. So this today now I've decided, I don't know if you can see, and I put them in this great big trog thing, so there's only that many. Just one dinner full. Well, probably for me and partner, we'll make some potato salad out of it. But remember, these potatoes have been in here since November or October, and I haven't really let them get big because they've been in here so many months. I just needed this bed back. And I've got to put all them ganzias in the garden now. So anyway, I'll come back once I've dug the bed over, okay? Here again from Sue's Dolbrodmaeth garden in the polytunnel today, a little bit outside. I'm just going to show you what I've been doing in the polytunnel today and outside, because I emptied all the bed with the potatoes that I thought that were alright. But there was hardly anything on there, so I'm glad I pulled them out, because yeah, so we got rid of those, and we took out the ganzias. We've tidied up around the fig. I've planted all the ganzias outside. I'll show you in a minute. And I'm just gonna oh yeah, there's a couple of little jobs I still need to do in the polytunnel. I'll just show you what I've done, okay? So today I've cleared all this bed here. So this is where the potatoes were growing. So all this bed, we need to put some wood along this edge here because it's very scruffy. And I took all the Livingston daisies out of the fig because they were all dying off. And I planted up this yesterday with some pansies, some geraniums are already in there. And I put the stock in there, so they're all in there. I'll show you outside quick what I did. So I put this little bit of trellis up that I had in the garage. And I put some ganzias here, so we've got some here, and then I'll show you where I put the rest. So I put some here. I tidied up this bed. The passion flower is now joined to this, which has lost its little flower now. And I've also trained in the honeysuckle there as well. So that's looking very cute. So, and I've been weeding as I've been going. I need to weed that bit tomorrow, and then what I'm planning on doing, I can smell the flowers now, the tobacco flowers. They come out in the evening. It's really beautiful scent. So I'm going to clear this bit as well, This is my mission this week, is to clear this part of the garden. I'm going to put some more flowers in there, but I'll have to water them because they're under a canopy, so they won't get much water. We need to put this fork away. Oh, I can really smell the tobacco flowers. Oh my god, they're so lovely. And the dianthus, they're so beautiful too, aren't they? But anyway, I'm just going to show you what I did round here today. So I've been trying to weed the ground, so I've been pulling out weeds, and in here I tidied this up a bit, so I put the rest of the gansias in here, and in here I seem to have a broccoli growing there. How odd. I don't know how come that came about. Must have been a stray seed. Anyway, so I've put my gansias in here, and I'm going to get rid of all these Livingston daisies out of these beds this week as well. I got rid of the 2 pots that were here with the fenugreek and the Livingston daisies, and I will put some different seeds in them now, some different flowers. So here's the bed with the gooseberries in and the currant bushes. So I've put the gansias in here to tidy it up. I will tidy this all up. There's gansia there, and there's one over there. There's a sheep over there. And yeah, they're massive, these ferns. Anyway, I just want to show you what I have done, not what I done yesterday. So that's that bit done, and I will tidy up all these Livingston daisies. There's a potato, but that's like the seed potato. I just pulled that out of there and got a few more potatoes out of that bed. But I'm going to pull all these Livingston daisies out over this week. I'm not sure what day. So my partner's put this pole up, so because we're going to put like a flag on it, and also we're going to put the mobile thing on it. So we're going to put it on this pole. So he's put it there. So that's in the process. I'll just show you the amount of potatoes I got. It was very sad. So anyway, there's the compost bin that I've been using. I think my partner's coming out now. Just to see what I've been up to. So here's the potatoes. So we didn't hardly get any, and they're really little, but never mind, there's enough there for me and my partner to eat for about 2-3 days. We don't eat many potatoes. I've just watered everything in the polytunnel, what needed watering. I've reseeded. Yeah, so here's where I tidied up the chives today. So I tidied up all the chives, tidied up the strawberries. I noticed there's some more strawberries right in there. I'm trying to hang them over the edge so they're not touching the ground. And then there's loads and loads of runners going off them now, which I'm trying to keep on the bed. And there's all the spring onions there. I cut back all the chives. What else did I do today? Yeah, I reseeded this part with the mixed red salad. So I've put some more seeds in this bit, and we'll see if they take. What else did I do today? Yeah, these tomorrow is what I need to put in the garden. So I'm going to put these in somewhere. I'll probably put them up that trellis over there that I've just put in. I'll just have them outside my back door so I can actually see them. And I've ordered some pots, which I'm hoping will come tomorrow. And then I can put on these melons here. And I'm going to put on the celery there. I need to put that on. In fact, I think I've got some melons here that I need to put on. I just watered everything. Oh, and the aubergines have picked up now. Well, that one's, I've just watered it. And these tomato plants that I put in yesterday, they're all right. I might have to replace that Morning Glory there. That one looks a bit sad, so I think I'll put one of them ones in there to replace it. Look at the Morning Glory now. Already, it's come to the end of its stick, so I'm not sure what we're going to do now. I'll probably tie a bit of string on it, and it can grow up that next. I still need to put this clematis outside, so I'll do that tomorrow. Find somewhere for that to live. But look at my lovely corner. Looking good, eh? So it's looking good. It's all done, ready, and I've neatened it all up. So it's all nice and tidy now, so we can put in some stuff in here now. So I really want to put the peas and the beans in. I've still got my little cucumber melon in the corner there. I've got to put a stick in for it to start clinging on to until it gets going. So, but it's looking good. I think it's going to rain again. Keep getting snowed on by my Alison. So anything that starts dying off now, I'm just changing it over with some new flowers, because I've got so many flowers. I can keep changing them over all the way through till whenever the flowers end. So once these alyssum go over, I've got a load of aubrietia which can go in its place. So I'm not bothered. Once things start going over a bit too much and they're flopping all the seeds everywhere, I will redo it. Anyway, I'll just say goodbye, and that'll be it for today. Yeah, I've been out in the garden about 2.5–3 hours today, doing all the little jobs. I feel like I've achieved something today, because I did dig over that bed in the corner today. It really needed to be done, and the potatoes that I got out were very minimal, not worth worrying about, and I won't be growing ever potatoes in there again. It will only ever be crops like these, salads and onions and yeah, beans and peas I'm going to be putting in there, because I've got 2 rows, one at the front, one at the back. So I'm thinking peas at the back and beans at the front, or the other vice versa. There's millions of insects in here today. Oh wow, can you see that? Let me just, I'm trying to see if I can show you. Wow, there's millions of insects. Whoa. I'm just finishing my film. Wow, look at the size of these insects. Thank you for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and tell your friends and family about my channel. And if there's anything you want to know about my polytunnel or anything in my garden, can give me some advice about stuff, please do not hesitate, and I will be very happy, and I will reply to any comments anybody cares to send me. Okay then, thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.